Hi beauties, this is Stella, the founder and CEO of Nuban Beauty. So we're creating a community for beauty lovers. You know, Nuban Beauty was started because we wanted to solve problems for beauty lovers, people who want to look beautiful in their skin. But we're realizing that even with all our posts, we still have people who come to say, I don't know how to do this. I think that's about a month ago, I had 3 people say they don't know how to use the beauty blender. And we keep posting every day. But some people still need a detailed explanation. That is why we're creating the community. If you're new to makeup, new to Nuban Beauty, this is for you. If you want detailed explanation of those videos you see, how did you do that brow like that? How did you do that blush like that? The community is for you. Click on the link in our bio to join. For every video we post, we will have our digital content creator. I hope you all know her. Her face is all over the page. Carrier, right there. And sometimes I will be there too. Some of the videos will be me explaining. So if you have any questions, just drop it down and we will answer in details. I know the beautiful thing is that anytime you join, you're going to see backlogs of videos, questions other people have asked, and how we answer them. So sometimes you might not even need to answer yours because someone has asked that, right? So if you know you need help with your makeup, or you know someone who needs help with their makeup, send this video to them. And don't forget to join the community by clicking on the link in our bio. Bye.